What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vega. Today we're going to be talking about 5 items to make your room look better, cozier, and just overall more cool. Last year we were dealing with the whole pandemic situation. This year a lot of us are still dealing with the pandemic situation. So I wanted to do this video because you are probably either working from home, doing more activities, going to school. I mean, whatever it is, we're just spending more time at home. And if you have a sneaker room, a man cave, or just a place that you just do all of your activities on, then this might be a good video for you. That way you just spice it up a little bit better and you just make it more your own and you just feel more comfortable and cozy in this room. Now, if you haven't done it by now, go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button. It really does mean a lot, and also hit that bell. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video. But with the intro out of the way, let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to talk about are figures. Whether that's a Funko Pop, an action figure, Kasa, Bear Bricks, you get the point. Those definitely add a personal touch to your room. And me, for example, I like to be surrounded by things that remind me of my childhood, or things that I like as hobby, or just things that I just truly love. So for example, I love basketball, so I have some Funko Pops from LeBron, Michael Jordan, Kobe, the greatest basketball players of all time. I'm not gonna tell you who the best and GOAT is. Maybe that's for another video, but they're there. Like I mentioned, I also like Michael Jordan, so I have an action figure from Michael Jordan that is more detailed than a Funko Pop. It has the jerseys, the shoes. This actually brings like 3 sneakers. And again, it's just more detailed. There's more effort put into it. And because of that, of course, it does cost a little bit more. These come in different type of styles, like Marvel action figures, DC action figures, other basketball players. You get the point. And the company is called Medicom. I'll put like links in the description. That way, you know, just in case you're interested, you could get something like this. But adding an action figure or a figure overall is definitely a good look. If you're looking for some good statement pieces, something that is going to fill up those empty walls, something that gives you a good positive vibe throughout the whole day, something affordable, something that is just good quality art, you gotta check out Ikonick. Ikonick actually reached out to me and I was really humbled by the opportunity to go ahead and share these art pieces with you guys. But first things first, man, if I do not mess with the company, I will never talk about it in this channel. But with Ikonick, man, I stand with them 100%. They're professional. Their art pieces are, they're quality, man. And when you look at their art pieces, everything that you see from them has a good positive vibe. So me, for example, I went with the Monopoly Properties bundle because I always liked the Monopoly game, which, by the way, I hear if you do good in this game, you probably will do good in life because of how hard it is. I'm just saying, that's all I heard. This bundle brings 6 pieces that resemble the cards in the game, but all of the cards have positive messages, which is what I truly like about Ikonick. Any artwork that you get from them is going to be about being more productive, about giving you a positive message to follow and achieve your dreams. They're also affordable within the canvas art space, so you don't have to break an arm and a leg to have a good quality product. And also they have official licenses like Monopoly, Peanuts, Popeye. So at the end, man, you're not gonna get something that is all bootleg or anything like that. These are official licensed products. So that's the main reason why I mess with Ikonick. They're professional, they know what they're doing, and within this canvas art space, they're definitely doing their thing. If you get these pieces, I strongly believe that it's going to level up your room, it's going to make it better, it's going to make it more productive. So at the end, I highly suggest that you go ahead and check out Ikonick. The next thing that I want to talk about are books. Books, of course, are meant for reading, but if you get a book that has a nice hardcover like this one, it serves as a good decorating piece, and in my opinion, it's just going to level up your space. This one right here is in an orange. I have a white top right here, so it pops. You guys see this all the time in my videos. Normally I have it right here. This is actually a sneakers book, so whenever I want to go back to maybe a brand and read maybe about a certain model that I kind of forgot about or are not even aware about, it serves as a good guide as well. And like I mentioned, I love basketball as well, so I do have basketball sneakers from Michael Jordan, Kobe, and even Space Jam. So it's something that definitely looks good as a decorating piece. It serves the purpose, of course, of reading. So I recommend that you have something that you truly like, and if you want to get a quick read, you can also have that. But when they are colorful, they definitely look good in your room and is going to level up your space. If you're spending more time at home right now, you need some smart accessories. They will help you be more productive and they will help creating vibes. You'll see what I'm talking about later on. So me, for example, I use my Google Home mini speaker all the time. In my case, I have it in a clock format that displays the time. And whenever I want anything from Google, I just ask it. I ask basically questions about, the day, about the weather, about a quick question about an athlete, for example. I also have smart lights, which that also creates the vibes that I was talking about earlier. So this will definitely help you elevate your room as well. So for example, like right now, all of these are connected to Google. So if I say, hey Google, turn off all devices in studio.
Got it. Turning 6 things off.
So as you can see, having smart lights and having smart switches makes a difference in the world when it comes down to your space. If you want to create a theme, a vibe, especially at nighttime, if you want to be all cozy and just want to be a little bit more dark, but have some ambient lighting, this is perfect for that as well. When it comes down to these smart switches, I'm going to recommend a brand called TP-Link. I have these smart switches all throughout the room, all throughout the house, and it's something that I definitely benefit from because you can literally make any device basically become smart. Download the app and just use it from there, or if not, connect it to Google. The lights actually work the same way, and they are also from TP-Link. They have smart bulbs, smart strip lights, so whatever it is that you need to make sure that ambient lighting is there, you could definitely check them out. So when it comes down to leveling up, it's not just about decorating, it's about creating vibes. Last but not least, and I also have one bonus after I tell you this one, it has to be plants. Plants is just a different type of vibe altogether. One thing that I always recommend is decorate your room and then go ahead and add the plants. It's kind of like the icing on the cake. So if you have empty spaces in your desk, in here for example, like let's say that I take this off. Now it's empty, now it feels dull and boring, but by adding a plant, now it kind of fills that gap and it just looks better in my opinion. So I have a plant right here as well. In my desk, I did the same thing. I had a little corner that was empty, so I added a plant and that makes it better. It's more of a grown-up look, but some teenagers like it as well because it's just a cool little, what's the word? Fun joie or whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Either way, man, when it comes down to having plants, it's just a different vibe altogether. So I highly recommend that you check out like Ikea or Amazon. It's definitely going to fill your room with good positive vibes. Now, the bonus though, I'm gonna recommend a letterbox. So if you don't have a lot of money, if you want something that is more plain and is also very custom, then you can go ahead and get a letterbox. Check out, for example, stores like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They have letterboxes for like $15 and under, and you can just create your own message, whether it's positive or whether it's a funny or just reminders. It's just a cool little vibe. So go ahead and check those out. I said vibe like 20,000 times this video. So yeah, I am aware. Thank you so much. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. I know that sometimes decorating a room might be a little bit difficult, but hopefully some of these ideas and some of these things that I use on a regular basis help you out to, level up your game. And again, shout outs to Ikonick. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Again, like I mentioned before, I really feel humbled by this. So thanks again. And again, guys, if you found it informative and entertaining, go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button. It really does mean a lot. And also hit that bell. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video. Also, if you're not doing so, follow me on Instagram at carlosvega101. I'm always updating the date and time on my videos, and it's just a cool little way to keep up with me as well. So with that being said, till next time, peace.